What if I told you the stock market is rigged? Not in favor of luck, but in favor of the patient. The real magic isn't in picking the next big tech stock. It's mastering your own brain. This isn't another hype video. It's the cold, profitable truth. Stock market success is about strategy, psychology, and a touch of math. Let's break the illusion together. Most people treat the stock market like a casino. They chase flashy lights and hot tips. It's all emotional bets. You win big one day, then lose it all the next. But successful investors don't gamble, they calculate. Their secret? The magic formula of market success. This stands for mindset, analysis, goals, information, and consistency. Let's unpack this powerful spell. First, M is for mindset. This is where most fail before they start trading. The market isn't about being smart, it's about being emotionally bulletproof. You will face fear when prices plunge. Greed will hit when your portfolio is up. FOMO will nag when you see others making money. But elite investors have emotional discipline. They expect volatility and corrections. They don't panic sell at the first sign of trouble. They chase data, not dopamine. Next, A is for analysis. This is where the magic turns scientific. Fundamental analysis checks a stock's health. Are the earnings strong? Revenue promising? Think of it like a stock's dating profile. Responsible, ambitious, not ghosting during downturns. Then there's technical analysis. This helps you read charts like a pro. It's about finding support levels and understanding market indicators. But beware, analysis is useless if you're only confirming your bias. Successful pros challenge their assumptions. They analyze to disqualify bad trades. Let's move to G, which is for goals. Without clear goals, you're just throwing darts in the dark. Ask yourself if you're investing for retirement or for short-term gains. This answer shapes your risk tolerance and strategy. Good investors have a plan. They rebalance their portfolios based on goals, never luck. Next, we have I for information. Remember, information is power. But don't fall into the trap of too much data, which leads to paralysis. Every second, headlines scream doom or exaggerated predictions. Successful investors tune out the noise. They focus on reliable signals, earnings reports, interest rates, and inflation data. Guessing in the market is expensive. Lastly, C is for consistency. Anyone can make a good trade, but legends are made by consistent returns. They follow systems, journal their trades, and refine their strategies. Legends don't get shaken by short-term losses. They understand that compounding takes time. Stock market success isn't about flashy lifestyles. It's about discipline and showing up when others quit. So, what's the real secret behind stock market success? It's not a tip. It's mindset over mayhem, analysis over assumptions, goals over gambling, information over influence, and consistency over chaos. The magic isn't out there. It's in your hands. The question is, will you use it? If you found this information valuable, subscribe, like, and share. Join me on this journey to mastering the market.